Hello, boys and girls. I'm Rob and
Miles.
He's also known as Smiles. Today we're going to unbox. We're going to unbox, build, and review the Ninjago movie Green Dragon. And this is it, right here. Ninjago movie Green Dragon. Who rides him?
Lloyd.
Lloyd is his guy? Yeah. All right. Lloyd, it says, it's Lego number
70612.
And it's from ages
8 to 14.
And it's called the Green Ninja Mech Dragon. We love mechs. On our channel, we will battle mechs, we will build mechs, we will, play with mechs. We do everything with mechs, right? Do we love mechs?
Yeah.
We love mechs. Anyway, this one here comes with 4 action figures. They are who, Miles?
Lloyd, Sensei Wu,
Garmadon, and
Garmadon's henchman, man.
That's his henchman right there. Yup, that's a henchman. Beautiful set from the Ninjago movie. And it has, we already said, how many pieces? 544 pieces.
Yeah.
Show them the back. All right, Miles, I'm going to get some close-ups, all right?
He shoots. Look. That's the set. He shoots a little gun. He has turbo things. He whaps his tail. And it's 6 centimeters.
60 centimeters or 23 inches.
Yeah. And they're fighting.
And they're fighting. Can we see the front of the box again? It's a beauty. All right. Let's see what's inside of this box. Let's see what's inside of this baby, Miles. Okay. We got how many bags?
4 bags.
4 bags?
Yeah.
And we got an instruction booklet.
Yeah.
We have another instruction booklet.
And we got bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, and bag 4.
And
stickers.
And stickers.
And another bag, and another bag. Now we're ready to build.
Yes, we are. And here goes some features for the dragon.
It opens mouth.
Yep, he's got a tongue. Show his tongue. Got the tongue right there. You got, who's the guy who drives him? Who mans him?
Lloyd.
Lloyd? Lloyd mans him. Can you show his rocket boosters, Miles? Rocket boosters come out for flying. There's his wings. You see the other rocket booster on the other side. There's his other rocket booster on the other side.
And
yep, and his wings. There's his wings right there so he can fly. He takes to the air and he flies. He's gonna attack Miles. He has spikes all over him. There's one of his spikes. And his tail wags. Show the way his tail wags. Whips his tail.
And
And there you go. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Do this.
Here's the dragon. The green Ninjago dragon. Who's the bad guy?
Garmadon.
Garmadon? He's whipping Garmadon with his tail?
Yeah.
Boom, he knocked Garmadon over. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We hope you enjoyed that. He ate him?
Yeah.
Let me see. Turn him this way. Let me see how he got him in his mouth.
Oh, he sliced his mouth with
He sliced his mouth open with the sword. Garmadon's mean. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Garmadon's controlling.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Ninjago movie, Green Dragon. We hope you enjoyed that review and that build. It was fun for Miles. It was fun for me shopping for it. You can see our video where Miles actually goes out and shops for it. This was a reward for him. He got 2 swabs in his throat to test for strep throat because he was very, very sick. He missed school, but he did very well at the doctors, and he got the Green Dragon as a reward. Right, Miles?
Yeah. So
check out the video, and if you like it, give us some likes. So stay tuned to a lot of fun things from our channel, M&R Toys.
And make sure to subscribe right there.
Subscribe right down there to our channel so you can be on top of all our videos. We'll be downloading a lot of videos onto YouTube. A lot of fun videos, right? Great job, Miles.
And if you give us 100,000 likes, we'll do Cole's Mac.
We'll do Cole's Mac next. All right? Stay tuned to some Lego battles, right?
Yeah.
Later. Peace.